In this video, we will see dry run of the code. So let's solve this problem for one sample input. So I have an amount of 5 and I have these set of coins, right? So let's solve and let's do a dry run for this sample input. So I will first create here, if I come to this function, I will first create an DP. So this will be my DP, which will be of size of amount plus 1. So that is 5 plus 1, that is 6. So this is a size of 6. Okay, and I have filled with infinity. So let's suppose I have filled with all these infinity. Okay, and I will say dp of 0 will be 0. So I will say dp of 0 will be 0. Okay, so now let's start. I will start with 1 and I will check. I will go till less than equals to amount and I will start with 0. So I will take this 0, 1, 2, right? So my I will be 1. I is 1 here and j is at 0, right? And I will check is coins of j is less than equals to I. So coins of j, that means 1, is less than equals to 1. Yes, it is equal. So what I will do, I will come here and I will check dp of I minus coins j. So I will check what is I, 1, minus coins of j, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So I will check dp of 0 is not equals to infinity, and yes, it is not equals to infinity. So I will say dp of I will be met dot min of dp of I minus coins j. So basically dp of I minus coins j, let me write it here, I minus coins of j, okay, dp. So what is this I minus coins j? Basically it is dp 0. So I will check dp of 0, that is 0 plus 1, and I will compare with dp of I. So dp of I is infinity. So infinity and comparison of dp of 0 plus 1, that is 1. So 1 and infinity, which is minimum? 1, and infinity, which is minimum? 1. So I will update with 1. So I will update here with 1, right? And I will simply here my j will be j plus plus. So my j pointer will be here, right? J will be at 1. And again I will check coins j is less than equals to I. So 2 is less than equals to I, that is 1. No, it's not. So I won't come here and my j plus plus again. Again I will check is 3 is less than equals to 1. No, it's not. So again now I will be increment. So I will be 2 now, right? And now again I will do all, I will start my all iterations, right? So what I will do again, if I start my all iterations, so let's take this man. J will again start from 0, right? I will take this one and I will check is coins of j is less than I. So coins of j 1, is it less than equals to I? That is 2. So no, it's not. Just give me 1 second. I guess we have missed one thing, that coins of j should be less than equals to I. So in that case, when I was checking 2, right? So coins of j2, is it less than equals to amount 1? So that was not. So yes, I was correct at that time. And coins of j, so coins of j is 1. Is 1 is less than equals to amount 2? So yes, 1 is less than equals to amount 2. So what I will do, I will come here and I will check dp of I minus coins. So I, that is 2, 2 minus coins of j, that is 1. So 2 minus coins of j, that is 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So is dp of 1 is not equals to infinity? Yes, 1 is not equals to infinity. I will come here and I will check dp of I minus coins. That means dp of 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. And dp of I. What is dp of I? That means dp of 2. So 2 and infinity, which is minimum? That is 2. So I will update with 2, right? And after this, again I will do j plus plus. So from 0 to it will be 1. So my j pointer will be here. Again I will check is coins of j, that means 2, is less than equals to I, that is 2. And yes, it is, right? I will come here and I will check dp of I minus coins j, that means 2 minus 2, that is dp of 0. Is it defined? Is this is not equals to infinity? Yes, dp of 0 is not equals to infinity. I will come here and I will check dp of I minus coins j, that means 0. 0 plus 1, and dp of I, which is 2, right, which is small. So 0 plus 1, that is 1, and dp of 2 is 2. So yes, 1 is small, right? So what I will do, I will simply say that it will update with 1, and that is true, right? You want only 2 rupee coin to fill this, to get an amount of 2, right? So yes, we have filled this 2 as well, right? So I will simply remove all this thing, right? And now j plus plus j will be again here. Coins of j is less than equals to amount I. No, it's not. So now this is over. Again, my I will be I plus plus. So I will be now 3. So now I is 3. J will again start from here, this loop, right? So j will again start from here, and I will check coins of j, that is 1, is less than equals to 3, right? This condition, yes, it is. So what I will do, I will say dp of I minus coins j. Again, I minus coins j, then is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So dp of 2 is 2. And I will say it is not equals to infinity. Yes, it is not equals to infinity. So I will come here and I will say dp of I will be, that means dp of 3 will be dp of I minus. So basically here I have filled it. For 2, for making 2, I should make only 1, I guess. This will be 1, right? And this we are talking about, okay, for I equals to 3. So dp of I minus coins j, so 3 minus 1, this will be 2, right? So I will check dp of I minus coins, sorry, this is not coins, this is coins. So dp of I minus coins j, so I 3 minus coins j, 3 minus 1 will be 1, and dp of 2, that is 1. So dp of 2, that is 1, 1 plus 1, that will be 2, right? And what is dp of I? That is 2 only. So dp of 3 is infinity. So 2 and infinity, which is minimum? 2. So I will update with 2 here, right? Now again, j will be j plus plus, j will be here, j will be from 0 to 1. Again, I will check is coins of j is less than equals to I. So yes, 2 is less than equals to 3. Again, I will check dp of I minus coins j. That means I 3 minus coins j 3 minus 2, that is 1. So dp of 1 is not equals to infinity. dp of 1 is not equals to infinity. Yes, it is not. So met dot min dp of I minus coins j. So I minus coins j means dp of 1, that is 1 plus 1, that will be 2, and dp of I. So dp of I, what is dp of I? That is dp of 3, that is also 2. So 2 and 2, which is minimum? 2 only. So I have updated with 2 only. Again, my j pointer will move further, right? I will check coins of j, that is 3 is less than equals to 3. And yes, it is equal to. So I will come here and I minus coins j. So 3 minus 3 will be 0. So I am finding dp of 0. And dp of 0 will be 0. It is not infinity. So I will come here and I will say, right, that dp of I will be 0 plus 1, that will be 1, right? And what is dp of I? That is 2. So I am finding a minimum between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2, which is minimum? 1. So I will update this with 1. And that is true, right? To make an amount of 3, you need only 1 coin. To make an amount of 2, you need only 1 coin. To make an amount of 1, you need only 1 coin. So now let's see the next case quickly. This is filled. J will again start from 0, right? And what I will do, now I will be I plus plus, I will be at 4, right? Again, j will start from here, 0. So again, I will check is 1 is less than equals to 4. Yes, it is. I will check here I minus coins, that means 4 minus 1, that will be 3. Is dp of 3 is not equals to infinity? Yes, it is not. So dp of 3 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, and infinity, which is smaller. So 2 is smaller. So I will update with 2, right? Similarly, I have checked with 1, right? Similarly, I will check with 2, right? It will be remain 2. Similarly, if I check with 3, it will be remain 2, right? Because to make an amount 4, you will be requiring 2 coins, right? Similarly, for 5, if I say for amount 5, it will be filled with 2. And in the last, if I come here, right, if dp of amount is equals to infinity, I will return months, but it is not equal to infinity. I will return dp of amount, that is I will return dp of 5 and the answer will be here 2. That means 2 coins needed to make an amount 5. So I hope you got this problem and you got this how the dry run is happening. Okay. And what will the time complexity of it? So basically the first iteration is till amount. So if I am taking an amount with m and if I am taking an amount coins with n, so the total time complexity will be big O of m cross n, right? Time complexity if I am taking amount m and coins n, right? And what will be the size of the dp? It's basically depends on your amount, right? So space complexity here will be big O of m, right? That is depending on your amount size, and coins length is n, so that's why m cross n. So that will be your overall time and space complexity. So that's the solution of this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, we in the next videos we are going to solve more problems on dp. So see you in the next problem.